Okay, so I'm going to show you how to sow leek seeds. This is leek musselbur. Okay, so for leeks, you can sow them directly in the soil in drills from mid-April. But for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to sow them into a modular tray. So I'm going to water this first. Leek seeds are very small. So what I'm going to do is I'll sow a few per module, and you can either take the modules as they grow on and plant them into drills and then thin them after they've grown on a bit, or you can thin them out before you grow them on. It's up to you. Okay, and then I'll just top that off with more seed compost. Okay, and then you don't really need a heated propagator for these. You can just pop them in a greenhouse or on a windowsill, and they should come through within a couple of weeks or so, and then you can, as I say, pop them out in drills or plant them on into bigger containers. Musselburgh.